Hey everyone, here I'm going to create a project, and this is my 30 project. So let's start with the project demo. Our project name is switch on mouse control using hand gestures. So here we are doing some different type of navigated and also gesture control project. Today I'm going to introduce a fascinating project title, that is a visual mouse control using hand gestures. Already I told you that. So this system allows user to control the mouse pointer using only their hands. We use only hands, and they can allow users to control the mouse pointers. So no physical devices needed. What are the physical devices? Physical devices is such as mouse and keyboards. They no use of mouse and keyboards and all. We will use only the hand gestures. So we'll see what this project does. We have to know what is this project will does, right? So we have to check in. This project turns your webcam. We have every system has webcam, right? So it will turn webcam into the motion sensing controller. So it will change the motion sensing controller by detecting and interpreting specific hand gestures. So it allows you to move the cursor and perform left and right clicks and scroll up and down and even drag and drop, and all using the simple hand movements. So we gone through the what does this project does. So now we will see tools and technologies used. We have to know what tools and technologies to used. This is the basic common sense. So let's go through the tools and technologies we used in this project. And according to that one, I use the following technologies such as Python is very useful, and it is open source language, and it is also object oriented and co-programming language. So definitely I use a Python here. I use a Python language. And then MediaPipe is of course because by Google for real-time hand tracking. It uses for real-time hand tracking. And OpenCV for capturing and processing video input. In OpenCV, we also include the CNN, which is convolutional neural networks, and PyAutoGUI to simulate mouse actions like move, control, and scroll. This is the technologies I use, which are Python, MediaPipe, OpenCV, and PyAutoGUI. And let me tell you something. When we are using this project, when we are importing this type of technologies, first we have to install these technologies in our system. Make sure it installed in your system, and such as we can import it as a MediaPipe, pip install MediaPipe, OpenCV, and PyAutoGUI, such as etc. So when we are going through the project, there will be some importing tools. So based on that, you can also install in your system. So okay, now we see in the intro and what this project does and technologies and tools used. Now we'll see how it works. We have to know how it works. What are the gestures we have given and all etc. We have to know, right? So we'll see the how it works. For cursor movement, the index fingertip is there, right? So which coordinates and mapped from the webcam to feed the screen dimension using the interpolations. We use interpolations, and it will detect the dimensions of my fingers or your fingers etc. And by using that, it will map it itself, and the cursor movement will be done. For clicks, what I'm using, that is tensor. For clicks, I told you, right, right index plus thumb. For that, it calculates or measures the distance between the fingers. If fingers come closer together, such as thumb and index, it interprets as a click. The scroll action is based on detecting whether the right hand is open or closed. So for scrolling, I already told you, I use open hand and closed hand. It will detect that only. So for icons also overlaid, we use icons provide a real-time visual feedback. We have to give feedback of project to unknown users to use this type of gestures like that etc. So now we seen the uh, intro, what does the project does, and tools and technologies used, how it works, and behind the scenes also over. So okay, we've seen all this, but we have to know what are the benefits of this project, why we are using this project. We have mouse and we have keyboards and we have all, right? Why we are using this, why we are doing time waste and why lagging, and we no need to use, it's nice. Okay, but this is one thing, and another one thing is this project will provide a you touchless interaction. Okay, this project um, this project mainly focuses on the touchless interactions. So some people will say, okay, touchless interaction is very nice, but where it is useful? So okay, for them I'm saying, we can use these touch-like interaction scenarios based on the real-time projects, such as during presentations we can use, in medical environments also we can use, or for user with the mobility impairments also we can use. So these are the benefits of this project. So okay, limitations and improvements. When we are running this project, we have to know the minimum basic and limitations and improvements, right? So you just can't, you can just can't sit on a dark place and you can't you can detect your hand. It is very wrong. While the system works well, it has limitations, right? It depends on lighting conditions and requires a stable background, and works better when the hand is centered in the frame. And also future improvements may also be included, such as dynamic gesture learning learning is very important. So further we can add a voice command integration, such as etc. So okay, from this we gone through the overview of the project. Now we can develop the a project. So further this, if you have any problems or if problem statements, or if you want a clarification or anything, you can just pin me and I will just reply you, and we connect with coding. So let's start now by coding this project. So in these 20 minutes we have finished our project. So now let's see the output of the project. I'm just going to run the project. Let's see what the output is. I'm so excited. And you? So here I run the program, and then it will show the interface. And now see, I'm using this navigation bar with my hand gesture only. Let me show you. And here I'm showing my hand open and up, that for drag and scroll down and up. And here I'm also controlling navigation by my hand, by my finger. And then I'm going to minimize the page. Then I'm using the navigation bar with my hand, and I open page and all, and I control with my hand only. I can drop and drag, and also the minimize the page and all. I can control whole the system by using the arrow. So in the conclusion we can say about this project is a touch-free human-computer interactions, and it's also combined with the computer visions and user-friendly control in exciting way. We can also control this in an exciting way, and it showcases the power of AI in daily tech applications, right? So thanks for watching and listening. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to check out the code or try it yourself. Thank you.